Does it really say that?
It said get to a basement or a closet. I don't need shoes.
Are you kidding?
No. Yeah.
Take the phone.
We're under a tornado watch.
Get the.
Here. Here.
I don't know how to get down.
Or just stand outside.
Oh my god. We gotta go.
We're gonna die.
No. You see anything?
No.
I got the key. I'll go.
We're okay. They said her just stand in the middle of the house.
Is that what it said?
Yeah.
Let's try that. Jesus, please protect us.
We're okay.
Was it talking about here?
Yeah.
In the middle of the house?
I'm not afraid. Somebody's out here.
Where?
Don't flash the light out.
Oh.
Who is it?
Huh?
Who is it?
That's Dylan. Hey, we're under a tornado warning or something. It says stay in the middle of the house or the basement. We can just, I got a flashlight, but
If it gets really, really bad, we'll probably come down quickly and get there.
We'll be fine.
But it said, Cody read it, or stand in the middle of a part, like your house.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go up, put our phone on. We're gonna watch it, see if it gets any worse.
I got a flashlight to get, I don't know where Kevin turns the light on down there. Oh my lord, I wonder what that freaking noise was. It was my phone going off. I pray to God we'll be okay.
We should be fine.
Yeah.
I hate bad weather.
This isn't the first one I've been through.
Really?
I've been through many because Oklahoma has one.
Oh my lord, I'm gonna have a heart attack if I live around here. Yeah, you guys come down just in case it